Welcome back to the channel, viewers and subscribers. It's your boy here, Kirk. Today we're going to remove and replace the AC compressor bearings on this 2005 BMW X5. Guys, there's a core sound coming from the compressor bearings, so we are going to start the engine now so you can hear it. You can hear the core sound coming from the AC compressor bearings. The AC work perfect, just the core sound coming from the compressor. I'm going to go inside and turn on the AC now. Guys, when the AC turn on, the bearings sound get lower. As I say, guys, the AC is perfect. You can see the compressor clutch running with the pulley. I'm also going to show you the low side pipe sweating a lot of water. I'm going to check on the coolness inside. AC blowing cold. So guys, I'm going to switch off the engine and remove the AC compressor. We remove the compressor belt, and guys, you can follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and like us on Facebook. And if you're new on this channel, please subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop a new video. So guys, we removed the compressor, as you see. We're going to go over to the compressor. This is the compressor, guys. I'm going to spin the pulley wheel. You can hear the core sound coming from the bearing. Bringing the phone close as possible. So guys, we're going to remove the clutch face now. I pull the 10mm bolt. AC clutch face removed. Now it's time to remove the compressor pulley wheel. So we're going to use the gear puller to remove the pulley wheel. This pulley wheel is really tight, first time removing. Guys, you remove the AC pulley wheel. We're going to spin it and you can hear the cool sound coming from the bearings. So guys, we're going to press out that old bearings and install our brand new bearings. We install our brand new bearings in the pulley wheel, no more core sound coming from it. We're going to install it on the compressor now. If this video helped you guys, let me know in the comment section, and please share and like. As you see guys, we're fitting up back. Now we're going to install the clutch face and the compressor. Also, we're going to use a 10mm socket, tighten up the clutch face. So we're going to turn the pulley wheel and the clutch face. Make sure that they turn in separately. So we add some refrigerant oil in the compressor and tightening up that now. We finished tightening up the compressor on the engine. So we're just sketching up the fan shovel. Then we're going to pressure test the AC system. Once there is no leak, we're going to vacuum and recharge. Guys, we finished pressure test and vacuum. It's time to recharge the system.
Start it up.
No more core sound coming from the compressor bearings. Engine sounds smooth and nice. We finished recharge the AC system.
How inside feel?
AC blowing cool, guys. Another successful job from Kirk School Air Auto. Guys, please like and share this video.